Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our new Arabic lesson. Before this lesson we studied about how to make singulars, how to make duals, and how to make plurals. But the lesson about the plurals would say is a very different lesson. As I said earlier, that we have a different way to make plurals. We have a different way to make plurals. In Arabic, we have the regular form of making the plurals, or we have the irregular form of making plurals. Before starting my lesson, again, I would like all my viewers to note my address, bukharihamid786 @gmail.com. It's our duty to learn, it's our duty to teach others, and it's always good to be students. And I always prefer to be student as well, listen others and learn from all others. So I would like that you all suggest in your suggestions that how we can make our lessons better. That would be a sort of as if we are learning from you. It's a give and take process. So we are wise students. We are not animal. We are not animals that we have to be without learning things, or we have to be without teaching things. But like, we have to teach even one thing. You have to reach. You have to make it to reach to others. So what was today our lesson? Let's go for the knowledge check and previous knowledge. And we said that if you have to say something about a single thing, for example, this is chalk. So in every language you have the way to say this. If you have to say about many things, and in every language you say a different word, you add something to it. For example, if you want to say about a boy, and now you want to say many boys, so you can add s to it and it becomes many boys. Same is the case here in Arabic. We have also the way, but a bit different is here that we have a different rule for making different type of these plurals. So we have two categories, broad two categories I would say. One is regular form of plurals, and we call those. But that's, I always said that for Arabic learners, this is the thing that you always take the feminine a different category and a masculine a different category. So we have the first category is about jama. This is all for the regular formation. Jama, muzakar, saalim. This is jama, muzakar, saalim. So this is for the masculine one. How to make plurals from the masculine. First rule is about this, that we make it from singulars. Like I give the example here. You have in English a singular word, that's boy. This is a simple word. This is a simple word in English. When we add something to it, like yes, this is called a bound morpheme in English. Bound morpheme is, I would say, any element which doesn't have any meaning of its own, but when we join it to another thing, it becomes, it gives meaning. Same is the case we have here the meaningful unit, that is one singular, and another is that doesn't have its own meaning. That's also in Arabic we have bound morpheme. So our bound morpheme in Arabic is like waw and noon for these plurals, and this what do we call that, alif and tay for feminine. So this is singular. Our example in English is boy, and then we add something to it. That means this keeps its, what exactly I want to say, the original shape of this word is dependent on this boy. So it keeps its structure same. Boy has the same structure. Otherwise, like we have, for example, we have some words where we add ies, that means the structure of the word is changed. But here, do see, here, what is here? Boy. And when we say, when we add something to it, like we have, we add something more to it, we have something more to it, it becomes boys. But this keeps its original shape. Same is the case here in case of jama, muzakar, saalim. When we form it from the singular retains its original shape. The singular retains its original shape. For example, we say the word here, singular plus we add something to it. We won't expose it something here, but we say first the word, like we say here. We see the word here, muslimun. Muslimun. This is the word here, muslimun. Muslimun. This is a singular word for a single person. We can say muslimun is a single person. And when we have to make the plural to it, like here, like this word, we add something to it which doesn't have its own meaning. But when we add it to the singular one, it gives a different meaning. It gives a plural. It gives a plural. So we can say here muslimun, then we add singular something, we add here waw, and we add noon. So, but one thing is here, there is a rule there in case of formation of these plurals. When we add now this, we have to say whether it makes the plural or not. So we add here waw and noon. But one thing is there. See, now the shape of the word changed. It's muslimun. There is dhamma. Same dhamma is there, but it's a singular one now. Single page is there. Here there were two. Maybe sometimes when we have all here, we have only that time only two, only one. But here the page is before this. Then this waw is there. This waw is there. This waw is sakin here. That means you don't have here dhamma, you don't have here kasra, you don't have here this fatha. This is here sakin. So it becomes mu. That means sakin here, it becomes mu. And then there is noon, and we add here fatha. We put here fatha. So that means we add this element here, but it's with fatha. It is with fatha and it's with sakin. So this becomes muslimuna. This becomes muslimuna. So do you have some more examples? Yes, some more examples here. This is mu. This is mu'minun. Or you can say some more examples. Do you have some more examples here? Muslimun and muslimuna. Yeah. Yeah, we have here. Here, kasirun, and it becomes ka according to this rule, kasir. Then we put here dhamma, and this becomes sakin, and this becomes fatha, kasiruna. So dear students, let's evaluate our lesson. We have different formation for feminine and different formation for masculine. There are two ways or two different these plurals. There in Arabic, one is called muzakar, saalim, and another is called that we will see there in another lesson. We won't expose it here. So how to make jama, muzakar, saalim? That's today's lesson was about the masculine only. So to make the plural of the masculine, the singular retains its shape. There is no change in the shape there, and we omit the last one. There is two dhammas listed. We add there one, and we add waw, and then we add noon. Even if we add these elements there, or these I would say that alphabets there, but still the original shape of the singular is there, which is the basic thing here. in jama, muzakar, salim, or regular forms. So in every way we would add this wa and nun, wa and nun, wa and nun, and this would become the plural. So it would become it would be easy for you then when we just introduced the lesson of just using the plural form of sifat with plural form of the nouns. For example, you have to say many people are tall. Many people are tall, and you can say now muslimuna, because now this is the plural. Muslimuna tawiluna. That means you can say now the taller form of the sifat and the taller form of. I'm saying maybe sometimes I do use the examples like wherein there is not that time una. That time I would be using these examples to make you understand. So see you in our next lesson with jama, muzakar, jama, munas, salim. That means how to form the plural form, how to make the plurals of the feminine nouns. In that case, we'll see a different rule that's different than the formation of plurals of these masculine. So see you in our next lesson. Till then, goodbye.